Good afternoon. As the chairperson of our Conservation Club, I would like to talk to you about an endangered animal close to my heart, the giant panda. The giant panda is a clumsy and cuddly looking animal that lives in China and eats bamboo. They are known worldwide for being cute, playful and funny. The giant panda was on the brink of extinction, and some of the biggest problems of panda breeding needed to be solved. The Chinese government has taken some important and positive steps in helping to increase the numbers of giant pandas. We can all help giant pandas by donating to a charity or by adopting a panda. If we truly care about the future of our planet, we can help to save these wonderful animals. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.